to get it in.
Romans 2:3, the righteous judgment of the Most High, who will render unto every man according to his deed. To them who by patience, continuance, and well-doing seek glory and honor and immorality, eternal life. But unto them that are contentious and do not obey the truth, but obey unrighteousness, indignation, and wrath.
Frank Lucas. You an African American?
Yep.
You believe that's your heritage?
Yep.
Do you know who you are?
Nope.
King, queen,
Yep.
nigga with back.
Nope.
Do you shine like a star?
Yep.
Think they gon' tell you?
Nope.
We gon' expose them.
Yep.
Yeah, they gon' take your life.
Nope.
So many secrets in the vault.
Yep.
Do this knowledge cost?
Nope.
Hop in the book to mine.
Yep.
Do you follow these laws?
Nope.
Do they still exist?
Yep.
Have time to waste?
Nope.
Do we have grace?
Yep.
Continue in sin?
Nope.
I'ma ask you again.
Yep.
Should we continue in sin?
Nope.
Christ is the way.
Yep.
Never gonna win.
Nope.
Trying to make it to heaven.
Yep.
Get there by sinning.
Nope.
Follow the commandments.
Yep.
Everybody got choices.
I keep on trying.
Everybody got choices.
Choose the right path and nothing can stop us.
Everybody got choices.
It's like this now.
Everybody got choices.
Choose the right path and nothing can slow.
Never going back.
No, no, no.
Forward to the kingdom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never won't win.
No, no, no.
Leave all that sinning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never going back.
No, no, no.
Forward to the kingdom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never won't win.
No, no,
Leave
no.
all that sinning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Everybody got choices, yeah.
Yep.
Everybody got choices, yeah.
Yep.
Everybody got choices,
We're getting off this
yeah.
exit here. Yep. Yep.
Everybody got choices. Everybody got choices.
Is it gonna be gay?
Nope.
Did he make us straight?
Yep.
Is the most high plan?
Nope.
You gon' learn today.
Yep.
Do you understand grace?
Nope.
Remember Noah's day?
Yep.
Did more than 8 people live?
Nope.
Will it be the same way?
Yep.
Is a broad way to heaven?
Nope.
Is a broad way to hell?
Yep.
You choosing death over life?
Nope.
You gonna change your life?
Yep.
Do you love these streets?
Nope.
Do you see police?
Yep.
You wanna get shot down?
Nope.
You remember Mike Brown?
Yep.
You ever read your Bible?
Nope.
You wanna know your tribe?
Yep.
You know you more than a slave?
Nope.
Don't you wanna be saved?
Yep.
You ever been baptized?
Nope.
Wanna get in that water?
Yep.
Ever confess your sins?
Nope.
Ready to lift your hands?
Yep.
Amen.
Everybody got choices.
I'm getting the path and I keep on trying.
Everybody got choices.
Choose the right path and nothing can stop us.
Everybody got choices.
Don't this life you don't want this now.
Everybody got choices.
Choose the right path and nothing can slow.
Never going back.
No, no, no.
Forward to the kingdom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never won't win.
No, no, no.
All that sinning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never going back.
No, no, no.
Forward to the kingdom.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never won't win.
No, no,
Leave
no.
all that sinning. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Who's like to choose from?
Who's not to choose from? I'm not to choose from. Stein and Satan. Who's not to choose from? You got to choose one. You got to choose who you gonna choose.
Should I live a sinful life?
No, no, no.
Repent and be baptized.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Never be nice.
No, no,
Was our Savior crucified? Does His word love the Most High? Is the wicked gonna burn? Will He stand forever? Will we ever get a turn? Two sides to choose from. You got to choose one. Who you gonna choose? The Most High or Satan? Two sides to choose from. You got to choose one. Who